Changing your plan on Modern Treasury is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Modern Treasury platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change your plan. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile icon or settings gear. Step 3. Select subscription or plan options. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled subscription or plan. Click on this to view your current plan details and available options for upgrading or downgrading. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available to you. Consider the features and pricing of each option. Once you've made your decision, select the plan you wish to change to. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the extra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily change your plan on Modern Treasury. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.